Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes. So due to circumstances we all are at home, but don't worry. We will not stop with the learning. We'll continue with the learning. Okay. So today I will teach you effect of change of temperature. Okay. It means then what happens when we increase the temperature of a matter. Okay, so in this, first of all, when we increase the temperature, on increasing the temperature, okay, of solid or liquid, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. Remember this thing. When we increase the temperature of the solid, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. The particles of the matter starts vibrating. Okay, the energy energy that we have provided in the form of heat, when we increase the temperature, it means we are providing heat to the matter. So in the energy that is being provided in the form of heat, is used to break the force of attraction that is between the particles of the matter. Okay, if suppose this is what, this is solid, this is a solid matter, and if we are providing heat to it, if we are increasing the temperature, it means we are providing heat to it. The heat is absorbed in the form by these particles to overcome or to break these force of attraction, and they will be break their force of attraction, they will break their bond, and they will be changed. This solid will change into liquid when we provide heat to the solid. Okay, and the energy in the form, that is provided in the form of heat is absorbed by these solid particles, and this energy helps to break the bond between these particles, and they are changed into the liquid, and liquid has the formation of the particle like this. Okay, so in this melting point, now I'm writing melting point. Point means the temperature. Remember, when it will be asked melting point, it will be the temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called melting point. And melting point is what? 0 degree. Okay, so melting point is the temperature. And what is melting? Melting is the process. Melting is what? The process. Melting is the process. Okay, when solid changes into liquid. Okay, so this is the difference between melting point and melting. Melting point is the temperature and melting is the process. Okay, so there is one more term, that is, now see, latent heat of fusion. This is a new term. Let me explain to it. Okay, see, suppose we have taken a beaker, okay, and in this beaker I have kept some ice cubes. Okay, ice cubes, here I have kept some ice cubes, and then here it is a flame. Sorry for my drawing is very poor. Okay, so I have kept beaker over here, and I am providing it heat through this burning flame. I am providing it heat to these ice cubes so that this ice cubes can change into liquid. I'm providing it heat. When I'm providing it heat, the temperature should rise. I've kept here thermometer also. Okay, and I'm recording the temperature. But I can see in thermometer the temperature remains 0. The temperature remains 0 degree only. It does not rise. It does not rise. Okay, the temperature remains the same. It does not rise. So where is that heat which I am providing through this flame? I am giving it heat to the ice cubes and the temperature is not rising. So where is that heat going? And you know, heat is a form of energy. It can never be created, not be destroyed. So where it is going? Yes, it is absorbed by the particles. Okay, particles of this solid. See, particles, it is absorbed by the particles of solid to break its force of attraction. See, so that energy is with these particles of liquids. So these ice cubes are changing into liquid, and the heat which I am providing here, okay, is absorbed by these particles of liquid, So that's why for a few minutes it does not change, it does not rise. The temperature in the thermometer does not rise. So where is that heat gone? It is absorbed by these particles of liquid. Okay, so that is latent heat of fusion. Latent means hidden. It's hidden because that heat is not being noticed by this, is not coming over in thermometer. So after few times, when we'll see that these ice cubes are changed into liquid form, then the temperature rises. Okay, but before that, till few minutes, there is no increase in temperature. Why? Because that heat which we have provided is absorbed by these particles of liquid, that is hidden. So this means the particles of liquid have more energy than the particles of solid. Okay, so this is latent heat of fusion. So particles in water at 0 degree will have more energy as compared to the particles in ice at the same temperature. Again I am repeating, the particles in water at 0 degree will have more energy than the particles of this solid. Why? Because they have absorbed the energy which we are providing to this flame. They are absorbed by the particles so that they can break their force of attraction. So that is latent heat of fusion, hidden. So that's why we use ice cubes to make our cold drinks chilled. We add ice cubes because they have less energy, so they are added in our cold drinks to make it chilled. Thank you.